If this video doesn't flop, then I'll totally buy another one. Duh. I'm here to be honest, guys, I am here mostly so that you don't have to buy shit that I already bought and was shit. So, if you want me to do the next seasons, I probably will. I am... It's easy to peer pressure me, so just comment down below and tell me to buy it, because I am willing and I am ready. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber, if you don't know me. If you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video, aka not unboxing, because I already unboxed it and my camera wasn't in focus, so I have to re-record the video. I bought a FabFitFun box, and I also put the code XOXO in to get a free mystery box. But it wasn't a mystery box, it was just 3 extra things that I got. In the mystery box, I got this, which is a oil diffuser. I'll probably like to put that on. I can't smell it, so I don't know what it smells like. But I'm not really a fan of ginger, but I'll still use it, I don't care. And then I got this I got this Swarovski bracelet that I'll probably never wear because I don't like bracelets. I like rings and I like necklaces because they're just not in the way. Like necklaces just run all the way up and down my arm and it just annoys me. And then I got this this eyelash stuff, which I'm guessing grows them, but it doesn't say when it does. It just says it's an eyelash and eyebrow conditioner, and I will see initial results in 3 weeks, and then nothing else. It just doesn't say anything. It doesn't say it grows them. It doesn't say it makes them softer or longer or thicker. It just says it is an eyelash eyebrow conditioner. So I don't know what's going on there, but whatever. Okay, now we are at the actual box. My most hated thing is these damn tea towels. I will not use them. I don't have my own house. I live in my parents' house. Like, they're for my parents. These are my parents now, so there you go, Mom. Okay, then probably this Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. It's a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. It says it's a lotion, but it doesn't really say where to put it. Is it for my face? Is it for my neck? Is it for my body? If it's for my body, this is a small ass tub. But if it's for my face, I kind of understand why the tub is this big. I probably won't use it that often. I'll probably use it to see what it's like, but I probably won't use it often. Okay, the next thing I got was these silicone straws. I'm okay with silicone straws. Like, it's not the best thing ever to receive, but who really cares about that? Like, you got 4 straws altogether. There's only 3 in there because I already did the video and whatever. There's 3 straws in there, but there is a 4th one. You'll see it in a minute, and you get a little cleany brushy thing. So that's good because the last reusable straw I got, I couldn't clean it properly, so I ended up like using it twice and then it getting gross, and I was like, oh, not using that. It's disgusting. You get this little travel thing with it that you can like put on your keys or on your, well, you couldn't put it on your belt. It'd have to be a pretty thin belt to fit in there. I'm upset that you have to fold the straw so much, but it's good that they are folded because it does fit in this little capsule. And I think it's really good that they give you an opportunity to be able to take it out with you rather than just carrying a full length hard ass straw. Yeah, Jake got me the first reusable straw I ever got was a bamboo one, and no way of bending that. Like, you're taking it out like that, or you're not taking it out at all, and I just never did. I used it twice, it got dirty, I couldn't clean it because I had no brush cleaner, and boom. The next thing on my list is probably this, and I chose this, but I don't know, I think it was the best option. I'll probably use it, I might use it a few times, but I don't know, actually, you can use it for different things. It says here you can use infrared, invisible to the naked eye, IR, penetrates deeper than any other colour in the spectrum, it combats the signs of aging by stimulating the natural production of collagen and elastin, okay? And then the red light reaches deep layers of the skin where it stimulates cellular repair and increased circulation to promote a more vibrant and youthful complexion. I might be using this shit before I'm like 30, okay? And then the Amber Light brings vitality. I don't know how to say the word, vitality. It brings vitality to dull and lifeless complexions. Amber Light reduces the appearance of redness, swelling and inflammation. This colour light is beneficial for rosacea. I don't know what that word means, like, I don't know if you can see what it says. Rosacea? I don't know if you can see that, but I tried, okay? Oh, nostrils. And then the next thing, I think these four are the four products I actually do like and give a crap about. And to be honest, I only chose one of them. I chose this. It's like a gravity mask. It's heavy on your face so that you go to sleep. I don't know what this is for, really. All I know is that I saw it and I wanted it. And if you don't want this, I figured out there's a zip here, and if you have a child, you could probably use this as a child fanny pack. Which I just think is fucking great. So let's try this on actually. Let's zip this back up so the contents don't fall out. Oh no, I've lost one of the things. Everything's just on my knee right now because I got rid of my desk. And my room's like a fucking See, it gets caught in your hair. Nice one. Yeah, everything's on my lap at the moment because my room is a damn mess. I got rid of my desk because it was just shit. And as you can see, my background has changed too. If y'all are regular watchers of my video, I'll show you like a full photo of it. I like probably that side today because I'm sat on this side, so it's on that side today. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. On. So you put it on your face like that. I'll probably put it on a bit too hard. And the good thing about it is it's like, because of this, you can fit different sized head people. It's really heavy, like it presses down my nose. I'm not really a fan of that because, you know, gravity, like, what's it called? It makes you get wrinkles. This probably makes you get wrinkles. That's probably why you should just wear it before you go to bed. But let's have a look how it feels when I'm like fake laying down. So, like, I noticed that it doesn't allow me to, like, what's it called? You know when like your eyes are twitching, like it stops that a bit more, but I probably won't know how beneficial it is until I'm actually going to sleep. So I'm just gonna take this off right now. My hair, I hate that it's one of these. My hair's still stuck in it. Ow, bastard. That's that tried on. Actually, my eyes feel really weird now. This is one of the things I chose. I actually did choose this, and I'm alright with it. Like, it's one of the tops, I guess. Actually, now that I think about it, this actually is good. So it's like 5 of the items I'm okay with. I got this cute little umbrella. I wanted this umbrella, but I didn't want to choose it. I think this and this was in the same like section, and I didn't want to get the umbrella over this mask because I really wanted this mask. But I got the umbrella anyway, so it doesn't even matter. I've needed a new umbrella because I currently do have an umbrella like this. It's like it auto opens, like you just press this button here, and it's supposed to like open, but because I've got this round it won't open. Because, you know, it's 7 years bad luck. I did need a new one because the one I currently have, this bottom bit just fell off. So I can't press the button anymore. It's a windproof one as well, which it really hurts me to say this. I got it for free actually from Clutter Hut. It was a good day, put it that way. And then you get this little packet thing to put it in. I've never really had one of these for an umbrella, and usually if I do, I usually lose it. But we'll just put that back on so that when I actually do come to it again, it will be there. This AG Hair Care Fast Food, it is leave-on conditioner. At the moment I use Aussie leave-on conditioner. People claim that Aussie like has salt in it, which you know, kind of like makes your hair dry, and if they're making a leave-on conditioner, that obviously that's not the goal if you're putting conditioner on your hair. So I've already taken some of this, but I'll take some more so you guys can see the consistency of it. Quite thick, like quite like it smells fucking beautiful. It does smell proper nice. just going to put this here because I've already put some on the top part here. In the other video that absolutely messed up. Oh, smells so good. Woo, woo, woo. And you probably can't tell the difference, but you know, hair moisturizer for a girl with dry ass hair like me. It's not my fault. It's just that's how afro hair is. It's dry because the oil on my scalp. How can it travel against gravity? It cannot. I'm telling you now. It's been dry my whole life. So this for me is just a really good thing to put in there because I got dry ass hair. And last but certainly not least is this cute little, turn it right way around, cute little colour enhancing pH balm. Wait, what does that mean? Lip balm, pH matching, it says pH matching technology, universally flattering cherry pink shade, can be used on lips, cheeks, nourishes lips and is pineapple flavour. I've got some on my lips right now because I've already done the video. So, I didn't know it smelled of pineapple. I didn't read it last time. Actually, now I smell it like from the actual tube. It does smell of pineapple, and like as you can see, it's like 3 different colours. It's like a red, and then an orange, and then a purple. I'm guessing so it gives you the illusion of like, you know, when I think it's Japanese or like East Asian, Western Asian, never eat, yeah. East Asian people usually, they usually have like red around there and then it gets lighter as it gets to the outer bit of your lip, which I'm guessing this is what this was going for. You can't really see a difference. But it's lip balm and I've got dry ass lips so I can't read it. Here's the box just in case you guys wanted to see the box because I'm not going to be taking anything out of the box. So I paid £55 for this box altogether and honestly I'm not raving about it. Just 3 mystery items. Don't make out FabFitFun because I ain't playing that game, okay? I might get it next season. I'm not sure. I just think that like half the products I probably won't use. Probably won't buy it again. Unless like this video does really bloody well, then it kind of be worth it to buy it again. If you guys like the way I review these boxes. But, you know, I've always wanted a box that was like a lifestyle box rather than a makeup box. And because I wanted not just makeup, I wanted everything else too. But in this, I only got stuff for like lifestyle and care and hair care and caring for my lips. I didn't get no makeup or any eyeshadow or eyeliner or I don't like that to try, which kind of upsets me. But it's alright, I made the choice to get this box. We are here to figure out the value of my personal box. So, in here I have all the things and how much they are, and I can tell you all what they're worth. So, the light and wrinkle therapy is $68. My umbrella, $40. So already that's like $108 so far. Sleep mask, so that was $40, it was $39.99, but I'm not doing pennies, okay? So that's $148. Then we've got the fast food moisture stuff, that was $24. So 20, that would be $168, $172. Then we got them straws, $172. They're $15, $172, $187. And then we have the deep sleep cocoon. $87. $40? Fuck off. That sleeping shit is not worth $40. Anyway, I'm using that shit tonight. It better be worth damn $40. Better send me straight to sleep. If I put this on, I want my head to hit that pillow and I'm like, no. Okay. Totally lost how much it is, but let's say we're on 187, so 187 plus 40 would be 227. The lip balm, which is $18, 27, 37, So my box value was about $245, which is alright, but you know, I really doubt that anybody, like, do people pay these prices? Like, maybe the box was worth it, but it's not worth it because I wouldn't have bought it. Like, if I knew that lip balm was $18, no, I'm not buying it. You can literally just buy Nivea from bloody Tesco for like, what, £2? And it does the same thing, except it doesn't make your lips look red though. Yeah, well I've got many lipsticks down here. I can just put it on top, alright? And just put it on top. I don't know, man. I just don't know. Oh yes, I forgot to add the tea towels. Let's see how much them bad boys were. $38. Did I get two? Two tea towels. $38. So my box value was like $270, let's say. Okay, like, that's just wrong, in my opinion. Like, 2 tea towels for $38. Do Americans pay these prices? I didn't get a tea towel from, like, Pound Shop, me. Nah, I don't bloody know, me. I'm out of here. I'm done with maths today. Well, I do love the box, and I will keep the box, and I will use the box, and I'll definitely use the lip balm and the leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna try this today. Actually, you got batteries with it too, which is just amazing in my opinion. If you get batteries with something that's supposed to have batteries in it, and you don't have to go and buy your own, that just is like A star for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know that it was like a bit of a disappointment and I kind of like totally did it all wrong, but this is like the first subscription box I've ever got and the first unboxing video I've ever done. So give me some like, I don't know, give me the benefit of the doubt. I don't know if that's the right way to use that saying, but that's the way I'm saying that saying, okay? If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Share with your friends, I don't mind. If you've ever got a FabFitFun, oh my god, I'll never be able to say it right, will I? Just comment down below. Comment down below. Tell me what you actually, like, got. What did you get? Did you get these seasons and get something different? Comment down below and let me know, because I kind of want to know what other people got, because I feel a bit, I don't know, shortchanged. So, I think I've already said bye. But I hope you have a lovely evening and a wonderful day tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!